What's going on, guys? So you're watching Johnson Vlog, and today I'm gonna be changing this nasty chain. So the reason why I'm changing it is the original chain I got with the bike a year ago, and notice that is horrible, but it's really rusty. Just looking for a better chain just to do some little bit of maintenance, and so I'm gonna be trying out this primary drive chain off of Rocky Mount. That's the Gold X. I wanted to get the best one I could. So pretty much comes with the master link and all that shit in this box. I have to undo these chain adjusters, and that is a 14 and a 12. To pop off the master link, you kind of have a hammer and a screwdriver or needle nose, just kind of whichever works best. I've had some work, some not. So I'm pretty sure I might have put the master link on the inside. So I've located the master link, it was on the inside. All right, master link's off. It fell somewhere. Luckily we don't need it. Now, you just pull that little piece off, and you pull these two together, and pull this part out. Just like so. And then you can, let's just pull it through. Chain as well. So here's the new chain, and here's the new master link. Oh, that's nice right there. That is nice. Greasy, but it's nice. Just gonna pull it all the way through. Right, so as you can see, we are gonna have to move the wheel in closer. Alright, sorry, loosen that. I didn't realize the camera wasn't in a good spot, but just gonna do that and then tighten this in. Alright, so that should be good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the other side, do the same thing. And then we'll have to loosen this axle and push the tire forward. Alright, for this axle, what you're going to do is like that. So you got a carter pin in here. You're going to want to straighten these out. There's two of them. Straighten these out. Oh wow, that just broke. That's not good. And you just take it out with your needle nose. And unfortunately, I do not have a socket big enough to take this off with, so I'm going to use this, just like so. That definitely needs to be tightened for sure. That was so easy to do. Alright, so I just use like an adjustable wrench pretty much. All right. So you're gonna put 2 rings on there. It comes with 4. There we go. All right. And then you're gonna put your other O-rings on this. I did this so you can see. There we go. Put that, and then you do this. Might need a pair of pliers. There we go. I know. No. Do it like this first. And then I'm gonna try the needle nose way because that's what most people do, but I end up using a. Oh, it worked. All right. So, chain's on. Let's see, we're on the first notch on this side. So, alright, so they got little notches on these right here. Yep. So there's little notches right here. And the line that's on these axle boxes are right here. So it's in line with the first one. Alright. So the reason I did it just a little bit more so for one, it makes it better. 2, I needed to get this carter pin back through. Alright, so now you're done. You got it tightened, got it on. She's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Hit the like button. Consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell if you want to see some more content just like this. And leave a comment down below if you got any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.